Hello everybody. Today we have a glazing kiln. Yes, glaze kiln. Glaze. Glaze. Yes. So, let's start. How do you like that? I like it. It's not that I like it, I love it. I love this glaze. It's called the walnut spice something, I don't know. But this was the handmade plate and I love it. Oh, and this is the second one. And unfortunately I didn't have room for another one, so I only put 3 inside. My Monterey broke, so I made myself another one. I love Monterey. Once you swim with one, you always want to swim with Montereys. Yes. This is a butterfly. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I like it. So, yes, next. It's supposed to rain today, so I decided to do it very quickly. Another one. Beautiful. Huh?
Yep.
Beautiful. It's still hot. Not so hot like you can't touch, but it's still hot. So, I already see something that I like. Sometimes I feel like the biggest challenge is to load the kiln. Oh, what do you think?
Beautiful.
This is for the, how did we say?
Q-tips.
Q-tips.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Yes, I like it. Next. Ooh, wow.
What happened here?
No, I actually like it. I mean, maybe
2 colors.
I don't know. I dipped it like one and then I went like this, but I don't know. No, not 2 colors, 1 color. But maybe because there was like a lot
of green and brown, no?
No, it's actually like bluish.
Bluish. Okay.
Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I love it.
Yeah.
It's nice. Next. Oof. Wow. I think I might have to buy more of this glaze because I like it. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful. Beautiful. This I brought, this glaze I bought in Greece because obviously they don't sell any glazes here in Cyprus. But another one. Another one, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. That was the smallest one. Remember I told you that one came out small?
A bit smaller, yeah.
Yeah. So, look at, wow. It shrinks. I'm going to put it like that. Of course it shrinks even after the second firing. And that's the last one. Look at that. I love it. I love those black dots. Wow. Crazy. I think it's crazy. I love it. So, that's it.
That's it.
Yes, that's it for today. That was very short. Don't forget, do not support genocide. We do not support genocide. If you like my videos, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can share. Thank you for watching. Bye from Cyprus.